Hello world, I'm coming to you live from the backyard where I am about to do some heavy duty gardening. So I have here a bunch of starter plants, some tomatoes, peppers, celery, kohlrabi. What else is in there? That's all that's in there. There's like 5 different varieties of tomatoes. There's like 3 different types of peppers, marigolds to keep the critters away, and celery and the kohlrabi. Here I've got some potting mix, some natural organic potting mix from Fallard brand. And then over here I've got 2 bags of hummus and manure lawn and garden conditioner. Oh man, I hope that this is good for potting. Shit. I hope this isn't gonna flood my pots. We're gonna find out. We're gonna find out together this gardening season if I done fucked everything up before I even began. So yeah, what I'm gonna do is turn all the dirt and everything that's empty, and everything is empty except for these 2 pots that have plum tomatoes, plum tomatoes, and there's a red potato back there. And everything else is empty except for the green onions here and the green onions there. So, oh, I have weeds to pull back there and weeds to pull in here and little weeds and shit to get out. Once that's done, I'm gonna turn all the dirt, add some potting, well, I'm gonna fill these empty guys with the potting mix, and then add some of this to every single pot, mix it up, and then plant the seedlings. And then I have these little seed packages, cucumber, spinach, squash, and another type of cucumber that I'm gonna plant in whatever I can fucking find. So this is the before, and stay tuned for the after. All right, so I filled up all the pots with the new soil, and I added some in there, and that's all that I had enough for, which is fine. Now I'm gonna open these guys and, you know, get the stirring of the dirt going, and then I'll show you a view of that. Be right back. So this is what it looks like, the soil conditioner. And what I'm doing is taking a scoop, putting it in the pot, several scoops actually, and mixing it as I go. Why are you so damn hard? So then once it's in there, you just mix it, you know, thoroughly, carajo, with the soil. And that's what I'm gonna do until I've done them all. I'll be back.